Adding Calendly to your Squarespace website allows visitors to easily book appointments directly from your site. Here's how to integrate Calendly into Squarespace. Get the Calendly embed code. Log into your Calendly account. Navigate to the event you want to embed. Click Share and select Add to Website. Choose the embed type: inline embed, pop-up widget, or pop-up text. Copy the embed code provided by Calendly. Add Calendly to Squarespace. Log into your Squarespace account. Open the page where you want to embed the Calendly scheduling tool and click Edit. Click the plus button to add a new block and select Code Block. Paste the Calendly embed code into the code block. If you're using the pop-up widget or pop-up text options, make sure you paste the code in the correct location on the page. Style and adjust. Customize the appearance of your Calendly widget through the Calendly settings. Squarespace will automatically size the widget, but you can also use custom CSS to adjust it further if needed. Save and publish. After embedding the code, click Save and publish the changes.